Hello and welcome back. Thank you for joining us today. I'm Douglas.
And I'm Adam too.
And this is the Highland Hikers. So you should be able to see that we're at Cruach and Tairbeirt train station just now, which is the starting point for our walk today. And I've got my son with me today as well, so it's quite a small walk that we're doing today. It's only about maybe 4 kilometres, something like that, and around 300 metres of ascent. We're going up a small hill called Cruach Tairbeirt, but it should offer some stunning views out to Loch Lomond. And this, Adam, this is going to be your first hill walk, isn't it? Are you excited? Yeah, you're looking forward to getting up the hill and seeing what you can find? What do you think would be really exciting?
If I saw a squirrel.
If you saw a squirrel and you were talking about maybe if there was any rivers to cross or maybe trees to see or stuff like that, yeah? So should we get on with the walk and see what we come across? Yeah? Well, let's do that. So just after you get past the train station, you come up a well-made path which is part of the Cruach Trail. You'll then get to this point where you see a wee fence blocking access down this other route. If you're heading up Cruach Tairbeirt, you want to go beyond this fence and go that way. Do not follow the Cruach Trail round, as that will obviously head off the Cruach Trail and not up to the hill. So you can see there's a pretty good path beyond there. I think it's fenced off because there has been forestry work taking place, but we're doing this on a Sunday and there's no works on the go, so we should be fine to continue that way. The route finding is quite tricky just now because of all the forestry work going on. There's sort of paths leading everywhere. But once you get to this point, you can, if you keep your eyes peeled, you'll see the path that you want to stick to, and it runs along the right hand side of the small stream that's running down the hillside, and you'll continue up towards, basically follow that until you get higher up on the hillside. So you've got a big stick there, Adam. What's that for?
It's for in case some animals try to attack us.
In case some animals try to attack us, you're going to defend them. Or in fact, you're going to defend us from the animals with your stick. Well, that's good. Should we continue and head up into the woods then? And hopefully there won't be any animals, but if there is any scary animals, you'll be there to protect us. Okay, well, let's get going then.
Like if there's a rhino.
A rhino? Oof, that would be scary.
And it's also very strong.
Oh, it is. Oh, you broke it! oh, got out of it. Right, on you go. So we've just come out of the forest now, and this is where the views really start to open up for you. You can see we've got a great view down towards Loch Lomond behind us, and if we spin round a wee bit, you can see Ben Lomond as well. So yeah, again, Alistair would be happy that we can see Ben Lomond. He always points that out, but no Ailsa Craig from here. I doubt we'll be able to see it from here, but when we get to the top, we'll take a look and see what we can see. And Adam, you seem to be cutting the grass just now. Are you enjoying the walk so far?
And that's also the forest over there.
Yeah, the forest is just behind us. As I was saying, we've left the forest, which is now behind us, and it's now kind of clear hillside at this point. So we're going to continue on and head towards the top now. Well, that's us made it to the summit of Cruach Tairbeirt now, at a height of 415 metres. We're not actually at the summit right now, this is where we stopped to have lunch. You can see the trig pillar behind us in the distance, although I'm not convinced that's the summit either, but it's somewhere around about the top of the hill here. But the reason we've come over to this side to sit and have our lunch is because of the quite frankly stunning view. You should be able to see we've got a fantastic view down to Loch Lomond and across to Ben Lomond. It's just looking absolutely stunning. You can sit here for hours and enjoy the view and have your lunch. Have you enjoyed your hill walk so far, Adam? Yep, do you want to say what you found the best bit? What was the best bit?
When I was walking through the trees.
Walking through the trees, you like that bit, but what about the views we've got here? Do you like them?
That was also the best.
That was also the best bit.
And there's also a fly was trying to land on.
Oh, there's a fly trying to land on me. I'm sure I'll be okay. And what is it you want to be when you grow up, Adam?
A YouTuber.
You want to be a YouTuber, so this is you practicing for your future career, yeah? And do you like making videos? And do you think people will like this video? Do you think they should give it a thumbs up? And do you think they should subscribe to the channel as well?
And hit the notification bell.
Hit the notification bell so they don't miss any future videos. That'd be really good, wouldn't it? Yeah. So what should we do now? We've just had some lunch, so we're going to head back down the hill and go to the car, yeah?
Or maybe we can go to that side and see the view from all the other tips, then we can go down.
That sounds like a good idea. Let's do that then. As you can probably tell, we are back in the forest section now. So we've come down a slightly different route from where we went up. You can do this walk as an out and back, although out and backs are always a bit boring. So we've decided to do this as a circuit, haven't you? Because you wanted to come down a different way, didn't you?
And there's also a fly on the camera.
There is a fly on the camera, but it's okay, it's on the top of the camera, so nobody else can see it apart from us. But coming down there was quite difficult, wasn't it? It was more difficult than on the way up. It was quite steep, and you fell over a few times, didn't you?
And you fell over once.
I did fall over once as well, because I wasn't watching what I was doing. I was paying more attention to you. But there was some nice bluebells to go through, wasn't there? Do you have one? Yep. Well, look at that. You've got a bluebell, and is that going to be a present for Mummy, maybe? Yeah.
Because she couldn't make it up.
No, she couldn't make it up. So yeah, we're doing the circuit walk, so we're back in the forest, and we basically head down towards the railway line at this point, and then that will take us back towards the car park. So we're going to continue on through the forest and probably catch up with you at the end of the walk. Well, that's us back at Arachar and Tairbeirt train station now. So that is the walk finished. I have to say that was a really nice, short, wee hill with the wee man in tow. I think we both really enjoyed that, had some great views from the top. Was that a really good first hill walk, Adam? Yeah, and do you want to do more hill walks?
I want to do more than 100 more.
More than 100 more? That is a lot of hill walks. Well, that should be fun. We can do as many hill walks as you want. That sounds really good. And so you said you wanted earlier to be a YouTuber, Adam. What's your favourite YouTube channel?
Out of your YouTube channels?
Any YouTube channel.
Unspeakable Gaming.
Unspeakable Gaming? I've never heard of him. What about the Highland Hikers? Do you like them?
Well, I've never seen their videos,
You've seen some of the videos.
but I've not seen them like on my YouTube account.
Oh, have you not? Oh, well, we'll need to sort that out.
I should search it up and subscribe.
Yeah. Well, awesome. It's been good having you with us on this short wee walk. I hope you enjoyed that. And yeah, we will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.